shot, love. What a good idea.
I'm doing video first.
Try not to get too much sky.
I've got video first.
Oh. Sorry.
Go on, Jack, throw a big one in. Well done. Here we are in Buttermere. What day is it today?
19? No, it's not that.
About 15th, 16th of March, something like that. It's a Friday anyhow. We're going home tomorrow and we don't want to go home. Dog's having a nice time?
Yeah.
Daddy having a nice time?
Yes.
Jack having a nice time? Jack, you having a nice time?
How did you climb one of the mountains yesterday?
One of those mountains is Pamans? Ooh.
Grandad nearly died.
Well, I'm going to go now then. I'm going to take some photos. Sam, you right up there? Bye.